Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. One more time. Thanks for coming out to Dan's Trades. As always, never advice, entertainment, and or educational purposes only. Okay, today is March 12th, not May. Sorry about that yesterday. I'll just make this full screen. Looking at the 1 minute chart, today was CPI. So there's the 8:30 news. CPI. I did not trade the AM session today. Hence, I'm making this recorded in the afternoon. I trade PM on CPI. We are definitely bearish on the week, so I'm looking to follow bearish order flow. There's first presentation fair value gap from 943 on the micros. Might be slightly different on the full mini. I don't think so, but first presentation's there. Nice little trade there. I think a few people might have taken that. Then lunchtime came. Was not the charts. Got back in front of the charts at the PM session. So I was looking at the 15-minute range here. And so there's live price right now. This is the weekly PO3, so I want to follow this order flow. So there's Tuesday's first presentation. Here's Monday's first presentation. So I drag these across all week. Don't change it though. Just move it that way. So I like having those. As we saw yesterday, the trade was off of that first presentation. We won't go into yesterday though. So big down move, retrace back up, interestingly enough, right to the first presentation on the 1 minute chart. Lunchtime consolidation, generating some liquidity. And I was looking to target below, so I liked these. I like 19.6. 19,600 I like below this macro was my draw on liquidity I wanted to look for into the PM. So once we had a 15-minute, I drew a fib, which is the top of this line and the bottom of this candle at 1345. So I was looking for a 50-minute retracement for my final trade. I did have a couple scalps right in here because as I was watching 130 open, I was anticipating, yes, I was trying to predict the future, whether you're supposed to or not. It's what my brain did. Because I saw this nice run up, lunch retracement, taking out AM winners. So nice lunch macro there. But long story short, I was looking for lower prices into the PM. And we got them right there. Obviously not as low as the AM. I wasn't looking to take out AM lows. I was just looking for a smaller scalp. Still in my scalping mode. I'm just making some ends meet, paying some bills. So I saw these. I saw pretty efficient delivery here. And then 130 came on. PM started. And I will just scoot it over here and just show you. I'll throw on the trades, executions. So here's where we started shorting. I like this displacement. Not a huge displacement, but I do like it moving below. So this is 720, 690. So there's 30 points, 20 points in this one. And we had a nice setup. So nice liquidity below this. I was looking to target this bottom of this macro was my draw on liquidity. Again, 19.6. So I'm looking for the weekly order flow, which is bearish. So looking for a retracement on that 15-minute. Got in my first trades here. 691. Had a nice move down. Took off one contract as it was approaching 20 handles. Stopped out on the next one, re-entered, looking to jump it again. So I'm just looking to lock up some profits. So here's the first trade, entry, exit, exit. And then when it retraced back up, so this was the stop out. I got stopped out right there, moved the stop a little bit too aggressive, more aggressive. It's fine, working on my patience. And then re-entered, added a third. That came down, took the entire profit off as we were hitting the 688 level. Again, just being slightly impatient. Took it off, and I saw that's exactly when this retracement occurred. So my final trade was on this retracement. So the first trades were not based on this. This final trade was based on this retracement because there's where the low came in on this 15 minutes. So 1330 to 1345 is the 15 minute that this fib is drawn on. And then when the retracement came up to the 50%, I re-entered one more time. Slippage got me 4 contracts. And then we wrote it down, so I took 2 off and then got stopped out on the final 2. I know it was even before the macro, but I was just looking to accomplish a certain number of ticks today. I am in scalper mode. Yes, we are within the order flow. I could have waited through the macro, which the macro did deliver beautifully down to 19.5. So 19.6 was only my draw. So plenty more than I needed, and that's perfectly fine with me. So just took a small bite out. Was happy with that, and I'm done wrapping it up for the day. Making ends meet, paying bills. Just wait till we keep holding these longer and longer. But it's good to know. It's good to see things play out. Love seeing it. Not getting overconfident. I like taking off trades when I do meet certain objectives. I don't care if it keeps going. That's perfectly fine. That just means I'm reading price good. So I'm happy with that. 2-day streak is in the books with really hardly any drawdown at all during these trades. So that worked out pretty well. Happy with that. Happy with the day. Tomorrow's PPI, so we'll see what that brings. Hope you're doing well. Hope any of this helps people along the way. And if you're looking for a place to learn, OHLC Academy is one of the best ones I've seen. So thank you, David, and thank you to the community there. Remember, tomorrow is promised for none of us. Live for today. Take care.